If you are trying to make your video fit perfectly on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok but aren't sure which aspect ratio to use, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change the aspect ratio of a video in Capcut on your PC. Whether you're creating a widescreen video for YouTube, a vertical video for TikTok or Instagram Reels, or a square video for social media. You'll learn how to choose the right aspect ratio in just a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, open the Capcut app on your PC and open the project in which you want to change the aspect ratio. If you're creating a new video, import your media and drag it onto the timeline. Once your video is on the timeline, click to select it. Then, choose the aspect ratio you want to use. For example, I'll select 9:16, which is commonly used for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok videos. After selecting the aspect ratio, adjust and drag the video within the frame until it fits perfectly. Then continue editing as needed. However, if you're changing the aspect ratio specifically for a platform like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, the best option is to use the built-in platform presets. Simply click here and select the platform you're creating the video for. Capcut will automatically apply the recommended aspect ratio and optimize the project settings for that platform, making it much easier to create videos that fit perfectly. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more Capcut tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.